In conclusion, choosing the right high-yield savings account can significantly impact your financial growth. With Sofi Checking and Savings standing out as the best option, it offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to diverse needs, ensuring that you not only save but also effectively manage your finances. By automating your savings and leveraging the tools provided, you can build lasting wealth. Remember, the best financial habits will serve you well beyond interest rates. What sets Sofi apart from its competitors is not only its impressive APY but also the seamless integration of features designed to enhance user experience. For instance, the ability to earn interest on both checking and savings balances encourage consistent saving while simplifying everyday transactions. Moreover, with automation options like roundups and scheduled transfers, users can effortlessly manage their finances and cultivate positive saving habits without feeling overwhelmed. This level of flexibility and user-friendliness makes Sofi a game-changer for those striving to optimize their financial journeys in an increasingly digital landscape. In this final segment, let's recap the pivotal points that make Sofi Checking and Savings a standout choice. With a competitive 4.60% APY, you'll be earning on your money faster than many traditional banks can offer. The account not only provides an impressive interest rate, but also robust features that cater to your financial lifestyle. Automated features, including savings goals and bill payments, grant you the freedom to focus on what really matters while your money works for you in the background. You can be in control, setting preferences that align with your financial goals, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable banking experience. In our exploration of Sofi Checking and Savings, we learned that its high 4.60% APY is complemented by user-friendly features that promote financial wellness. By offering up to $300 in cash bonuses and a seamless mobile experience, it truly caters to the needs of modern savers. With its innovative banking solutions, Sofi stands ready to help you embark on a journey of fiscal empowerment. In a world where financial options can seem overwhelming, Sofi simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone, especially those new to managing savings. Ultimately, embracing this high-yield savings account could be the key to unlocking your financial potential and achieving your goals effectively. To truly appreciate why Sofi Checking and Savings is the top recommendation, let's dive into its standout features. First and foremost, the 4.60% APY is not just competitive. It's designed to outpace typical banking offerings significantly. Moreover, there's no cap on interest earnings, allowing your savings to flourish as you continue to deposit. This straightforward approach, devoid of gimmicks and teaser rates, ensures that your money is not only safe, but actively growing. By setting up direct deposits, you can seamlessly unlock the full potential of your savings and enjoy the fruits of this high-yield account effortlessly. With calculated precision, Sofi has crafted a banking experience that doesn't just meet expectations, but exceeds them, making it a preferred choice for those seeking a savvy approach to savings. Beyond attractive interest rates and enticing bonuses, users benefit from an application that embodies simplicity and innovation, catering to both newcomers and seasoned savers alike. As you take the leap into modern savings, remember that the journey to financial prowess begins with the right tools. Sofi is here to ensure that you're re-equipped for success. Thank you for following along as we dissected the contenders and revealed the ultimate winner, empowering you to make informed decisions about your financial future. With features that prioritize both user experience and financial growth, Sofi invites you to engage with your money like never before. Let's delve into the mobile app's benefits, where everything from budgeting to investment tracking is centralized. You'll find intuitive navigation, user-friendly interfaces, and quick access to your account information, all designed to enhance your financial literacy and management. Take advantage of embedded tools that facilitate goal setting and provide insights, making saving not just a task but an enjoyable part of your daily routine. By choosing Sofi, you're not merely opening an account. You're embarking on a financial journey equipped with innovative tools to maximize your savings. Its standout features, including competitive interest rates and intuitive mobile automation, create an unparalleled opportunity for anyone looking to enhance their financial literacy and efficiency. Now that we've explored its many advantages, you're better poised to make a decision that aligns with your financial vision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned saver, Sophie Checking and Savings is a forward-thinking choice that adapts to your needs, ensuring your financial aspirations are within reach. In summary, Sophie Checking and Savings emerges as the top high-yield savings account of 2025, seamlessly combining an attractive APY with outstanding features that empower users to take control of their financial futures. As we conclude this comprehensive journey through high-yield savings accounts, it's essential to remember that the right account can transform your financial habits and long-term wealth-building potential. Sophie Checking and Savings not only stands out for its compelling features, but for its unwavering commitment to making saving personal and engaging. By utilizing its various tools, you can take proactive steps toward achieving your financial goals, while enjoying the added benefits of higher interest rates and seamless automation. Embrace this savvy choice and let your financial future flourish with Sophie. In essence, the journey to finding the best high-yield savings account of 2025 has led to a clear winner, Sophie Checking and Savings. By prioritizing features that genuinely enhance the user experience and promoting financial empowerment, Sophie stands as a beacon for those eager to elevate their savings approach. The critical aspect remains good financial habits, and the right tools paves the way for a brighter financial future, and Sophie is designed to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining this exploration, and remember, as interest rates evolve, your commitment to smart savings remains the cornerstone of financial success. While Sophie shines with its innovative approach, it's essential to consider your personal financial goals. If you're seeking maximum returns and simplicity combined, you'll find that Sophie Checking and Savings not only meets but often exceeds expectations. As we wrap up this exploration, remember that the right high-yield savings account can markedly influence your financial trajectory, shaping your saving habits for the better. With Sophie, you're not just saving. You're integrating sound financial practices into your daily life, ensuring a future where your money works tirelessly for you. And thus, as we conclude this insightful series, embracing the transformative potential of Sophie Checking and Savings can set you on a path toward financial empowerment and wealth building. With its streamlined features and guidance, your savings journey can truly thrive, paving the way for a prosperous future. Thank you for being part of this journey, and may your financial endeavors flourish with knowledge and purpose. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.